Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install LED strip on your headlight. I am using this one. Here is inside remote control, installation guide, 2 pieces LED strip and power supply for them. To install the strip you can use double-sided adhesive tape or transparent silicone. You can choose. Okay, it's installed. This one and this one. You need to follow the line on headlight and be sure cables to be tight to not cut off. Here is power supply of the light. Let's check. Also you need to connect red one to car ACC, black one to negative pole, and blue and yellow if you want. Let's check. Unlock. Lock. Okay, let's see again. Unlock. You can also check colors of lights. Green, red, yellow, white, blue. Okay, that's all. If you have any questions about install, write on comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.